We're back to give you the legal edge. With Thanksgiving only 2 days away now, we're about to see a lot of dinners, parties, and social functions. And at many of those events, alcohol will be served. Here's local attorney Brian Waldman to talk about liability for those hosting these get-togethers.
This area of the law is referred to in Michigan as social host liability. In general, Michigan does not have any social host liability or won't hold the person hosting a party or event liable if an adult consumes alcohol and goes out and harms themselves or someone else. Now, there are exceptions to every rule, and there are factual scenarios that may create liability. So the fact that generally there's not a responsibility when it comes to serving alcohol to adults doesn't mean that people shouldn't try and be responsible as a host and make sure people aren't drinking to excess, and in particular, going out and driving under the influence of alcohol. They should try and make sure that doesn't happen. But generally, the rule is they will not be held civilly liable or responsible if that occurs. The law is different with regard to minors. With regard to minors, the law is very clear that if a social host serves or allows a minor to be served alcohol at their party or event, they're going to be responsible for harm caused to the minor or that the minor causes to someone else. So not only is there criminal liability because it's a crime to serve alcohol to minors, but there's also civil liability that will attach if a minor's served alcohol, and as a result of that, they're somehow injured or harmed, or they injure or harm someone else.